Hello, I'm going to be showing you how you can cancel Shopify subscription and actually close your Shopify if you want. Now first, you just need to log in into your Shopify dashboard. Now after that, you want to click on settings at the very bottom left. After that, you want to click on plan, and here you will be able to see the plan. Okay, now first you want to click here where it says cancel plan here. Okay, now after that, it's going to take you to this. Now before you cancel, before you click on continue, please go to your apps and sales channels button, click on it here just to check if there is any app that requires recurring payments every single month or every week, depends on the app. Now just remove it, because if you cancel your Shopify store and you leave an app that charges your credit card, debit card every month, it's going to keep charging the card regardless of you close your Shopify store or not. So just keep that in mind. Now you want to go back to plan, and then you want to click on cancel plan. That's actually what it says here: cancel any app subscriptions you signed up for outside of Shopify. Now if you have signed up for any subscriptions outside of Shopify, you want to cancel that. Okay, make sure you cancel that. Also cancel additional stores connected to your account. Turn off automatic renewals for any domains with Shopify. So please do these 3 different steps before deciding to close or to cancel subscription. Now at the bottom, you want to click on I have reviewed the information above, and then click continue, again continue, and then you are done and you canceled the subscription successfully. Please drop a like, that would be highly appreciated. If you have any questions or anything, let me know in the comments. I try to reply to every single comment, so drop a like and see you.